Hello guys, we are currently selling Gold USD this morning, 18th of March, Tuesday, 18th of March 2024. All right, so we are selling gold currently, and in my analysis, I believe gold is going to drop from this point all the way to this zone here. So on this is the 4 hours time frame. So this is my bias on gold, and this is the reason why I was looking for selling. This is the reason why I'm a seller on gold USD. All right, so now let me show you how I do my analysis and why I'm currently selling gold USD. All right, so as always, let's start from the monthly time frame. Let me remove this one. So let's start from the monthly time frame and then analyze the market together using zone of sensitivity. All right. So let's go. Okay, guys, this is the monthly time frame. So from the monthly time frame, what can we see here? So we have the lower zone of sensitivity and what the monthly upper zone of sensitivity. As you can see, market has broken the upper zone of sensitivity, right? Impulsively with a lot of momentum here. The market break this upper zone. You know, market has this upper zone of sensitivity on monthly. Mark was as in the past history, we're having a lot of selling pressure here. The market got to this point, the market sold, got here, sold, got here, sold. The market got here again, the kind of reaction, then the market finally break this monthly upper zone of sensitivity, right? So this shows that buyers are empowering the market from the monthly time frame. Buyers are on gold from the monthly time frame perspective, right? And go break the upper zone of sensitivity, the monthly upper zone of sensitivity impulsively. So we should be on a higher time frame, we should be looking for what? We should be looking for buy. All right, but this is monthly time frame, right? So now let's go to the weekly time frame to see what is actually happening on weekly time frame. All right. So this is weekly time frame, guys. Remember, I told you each time frame has its own zone of sensitivity. So above, this is the weekly time frame on gold. As you can see from here, gold make an impulsive move here with a lot of momentum. So with this momentum move, right, gold is not going to continue to move up, right? Because of gold move here with a lot of aggressive, with a lot of strength, telling us that buyers are what? Buyers are in the market, right? But as always, market does not move in a straight line, especially when market is moving with a lot of momentum. It will get to a point where the market will rest, means the market will retrace, or the market would will make correction before the market will start moving. As you can see from the previous chart, look at how the gold has started, is joining. This is impulse, correction, and then impulse, right? Whenever the gold make an impulsive move, there must be a correction. In fact, it's applicable to all pairs, right? Because the market does not move in a straight line. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction. So gold has made an impulsive move upward, right? So now we are on a correctional move because gold is not going to continue going up with this impulsive move. It's not going to have a lot of strength. Buyers are not going to have a lot of strength to continue pushing the market up. Therefore, they are retracing all the way to this zone before. Remember, this is the monthly upper zone of sensitivity. They are coming all the way to retest this monthly upper zone of sensitivity before they will have enough strength to move up, right? So this is a correctional move. So that is the reason why we started looking for what we started looking for opportunity to sell gold USD. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame. Also from the daily time frame, we don't have much. Also, daily is giving us we don't have much on daily, but all I know on gold USD, we are on a correctional move. I'm believing that gold is going to drop all the way to this point, here before we start looking for buying opportunity, right? But as always, you need to understand that this move here on the H4 time frame, we are going to be seeing characteristics of an uptrend like this, right? And if we said that gold is going to make a correctional move, gold is going to retrace all the way, is going to start making wiggly retracement, because the retracement for me is coming from the wiggly. So wiggly is on a correctional phase where market is retracing back all the way to this zone, monthly upper zone of sensitivity, where we'll start looking for buying opportunities. So it's going to take like 1 to 2 weeks for gold to, maybe 1 to 2 weeks for gold to finally get to this zone, right? So what we are going to be doing based on market structure is that we are going to be waiting for, I was waiting for a breach of the Dow theory on H4 time frame, because like from the daily, is not making sense, right? Even from the weekly time frame, is not making sense. If we said weekly is going to retrace or daily is going to make a retracement, then we want to see the Dow theory breach like this on H4. Let's say this is H4. We want to see the Dow theory breach. Once the Dow theory breach, then we'll start looking for selling opportunity back down bearish, or up to this point where we anticipate to start buying gold. All right. So this is the reason why we become sellers on gold USD. So now let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the H4 time frame, guys. So from H4 time frame, what can we see here, guys? So from H4 time frame, I started seeing when market let me pick my pen. I started seeing gold got to this weekly zone of sensitivity, and there was a rejection, and since then gold has been failing to go up, right? Gold came down, push up until gold finally break here. They break this structure here. So what does that mean? It means that there is a change in market direction. The Dow theory has been breached here, right? So there is a change in market direction. So in this wise, this is why you see, look at this point here. Gold has been failing to break here, and gold finally break this point. So this becomes our H4 zone of sensitivity, or H4 line of sensitivity, right? So this is why I put this line here. Then we wait for gold to come here, and then we start looking for selling opportunity. But this is H4 time frame. We are going to we enter our trade based on blind spot on M30 time frame, because I said if you want to look for selling opportunities, you don't have to enter directly from the H4 time frame. You are going to use smaller time frame like M15, M30 to look for your fantastic 5 or other two like blind spot or manipulation entry formula. So we found a blind spot on gold this morning, 18th of Tuesday, 18th of March 2024. So I think on my small account, we're already in deep profit. In fact, we take our profit, but on the long run, I'm going to swing this trade because I believe gold is going to push all the way to this level. So I'm going to hold my trade I'm going to swing my trade to see what gold is going to do, right? So guys, this is why we sell gold this morning. This is why we are becoming the selling neighborhood on gold USD. So before you start selling or before you start buying, you need to build a case. You need to understand the market. You need to analyze and know where you should be going, right? So let's go to, let me show you let me see if I can show you that blind spots on, let's go to H1. Let's go to H1 time frame. Okay. Let's go to M30. Yeah. There was a blind spot here, guys. There was a blind spot. Yes. But this blind spot is very technical, because I look at the wick here. This opposing candle, the wick is too big. So the moment the market just got into this zone, I started shooting my sell position here. So, and because I enter here, I'm with my small account, so I've taken my profit here, but on my bigger account, I'm going to swing this trade all the way. So this is yeah, this is the trade. This is the trade on gold. And this is our setup analysis that I share on my channel for people to, like, I don't send signals. I only share setup. Then you use Fantastic 5 because I've taught Fantastic 5 on my channel. You use Fantastic 5 setup on a lower time frame to enter a trade on your own. You must learn how to overcome entries, right? Because entering is that devilish thing in trading. You know, some people will analyze when it comes to entering, they will freeze, they will be afraid. So you need to overcome the fear of entry. You need to learn how to enter a trade on your own. You need to learn how to analyze and enter the market on your own. So in my Telegram channel, I only share setup. Then when you use the setup, mark it the way I do, go to your the lower time frame and be looking for entry signals, which is the Fantastic 5 plus other two setup. Once you get the entry signal, you determine your risk to reward ratio, then take the trade, allow the market to do whatever it wants. All right. So it's all about risk to reward ratio. So we are not going to be winning all trade, right? So that is it, guys. As you can see, our goal is currently retracing, but on a long run from H4 time frame, we are going to hold these trades on a swing all the way to, maybe I'm going to take my profit here. My profit is going to be here from the H4. My profit is going to be here. Yes, it's going to be here. My first profit is going to be here. Then my second profit is going to be all the way to this zone where we are going to be looking for opportunity to start buying gold. So guys, this is my analysis on Gold USD. I hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.